Ay, pag pinabidyo.
Kunyani dali ha, kunyani oh. Adi man oh.
Pwede ako na kari. Ay, pag pinabidyo. Ay, di ako yun.
Adi nga ni akon oh.
Tayo lang kayo, nandun rin
Oo nga sa akon nga. Sa akin nga.
Bakit nasa akin yan ha? Ay. Tayo ang camera ha.
Wala sa akin. The simple truth about love she brings to me. Were you eyes
Kapag pinabigay.
with her first glow, she gave a meaning to the empty world of mine. And another one, dito sa akin,
Ako lang mag-i-video sa iyo.
She filled my heart. She filled my heart with appreciation.
Kunyari nasa kulungan siya.
Why imagine the place on?
Yan ang ano, kunyari lang yan ha.
Just everywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her. No, we could be lonely.
Yan.
I'm
Yan ang best friend ko yan. Magaling kumanta. Yan ang ano, matagal ko nang hinahanap yan.
And love me by the hour in a day. I have no answer now, but I can see. I know I'll never start out of the way, and she'll be there.
Wow.
How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in the day? I have no answer, but no, this much I can say. I know I'll never hurt.
Nangininong kami dito kasi hindi ako nagbukas ngayon kasi Martes. Bukas ako
And
magbukas.
she'll be there.
Wow. Galing kumanta.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. O,
Watching.
diba?
Yan. Oh, ayan. Tagay na daw siya.